We're going to repaint the coffee shop.
I agree. These old cars doesn't look so generic and boring. Let's replace them with new ones that aren't boring.
Yes. We did it. We repainted the coffee shop.
It's a masterpiece, like a piece of art, a rainbow.
Oh no. It's Rarity.
Oh my goodness. Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater and Lightning Boy Blam. How dare you two repaint the coffee shop? Despite me liking the beauty, you should not be doing that due to the fact that it's considered as vandalism. That's it. I'm calling both of your parents about this.
No, Rarity, please don't call our parents. We're really sorry. We just wanted the cars to not look generic, please.
Well, it's too late for apologies. Scram.
Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater. We can't believe you and Lightning Boy Blam repainted the coffee shop. You know doing stuff like that can get you imprisoned.
That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room now and think about what you've done.
Lightning Boy Blam. We cannot believe you repainted the coffee shop along with Dark Tornado Charlie the Anteater. You realize that it's illegal to repaint buildings without permission. That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
March upstairs to your room right now.